Another fine vehicle offered by Apple Ford Lincoln Mercury.
This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, a great fit and finish. The quiet engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, delivers prompt and deliberate responses. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Apple Ford Lincoln Mercury is located at 8800 Stanford Boulevard in Columbia. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.